Welcome to Honduras, ladies and gentlemen. Most specifically, an island called Rainforest, which is well known for having the second largest coral reef in the world. Used to be a haven for pirates. I wonder if that ship is a relic of them. I don't think so. It looks old and rusty to me. But I'm going to be exploring the island and you're going to be joining me. I'm literally just pulling in to port now. I think when I get here I'm going to have a look through the jungle areas, but I'm also going to explore Tabiana Beach, which has those beautiful coral reefs I've been looking forward to seeing. Alright, it's time to disembark. Off I go. Just moving through the island right now on a little bus.
Isn't this where he stopped to go get a cell phone or something?
Yeah, this is close to his house, I think, eh?
There's another cruise ship. There's another cruise ship here.
Yeah, there was a pier downtown, remember?
Yeah.
The old road town
Yeah.
piers. There's
Yeah.
a ship that went through.
to Tabiana Beach, and you'll see that shortly.
Must be rain. Puddles and waters.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
On the beach.
All right, you got it. Okay, this is Mr. Randy. Now, you know, in the past I've had some bad experiences with monkeys, particularly in the Congo. So I've been blessed to meet Mr. Randy here and offer him a treat. As you can see, he's really enjoying it. We're friends now. He's trying to take my bracelet.
You want water?
Yeah.
Oh, take your time. Take your time.
Mr. Randy?
Mr. Randy is holding.
Okay.
On the move, Randy. Oh, yeah, right. Good job, Randy. Very good.
Okay, so Randy is now snacking down on my head.
Sit down on the charge, Randy. Sit down on the charge, Randy.
There we go.
All right.
Randy, I think, must be
You may have
thirsty as
start
well.
again because you got the dude right behind you. It's up to you.
No,
All
okay, go.
right.
I'm in the Honduran jungle now, and I have a question for you. Do you feel that places like this ecosystem should be preserved and we should work to preserve them? Or do you think that the march of progress is inevitable and places like this should be inevitably destroyed by the advent of progress? So what do I mean by that? Let me give you an example from my own personal experience. So I've been to Sumatra looking for the orang pendek, a bipedal primate in the jungles there, some 8 times, and one of the times I was there I went through a remarkable piece of virgin rainforest. Now it took about half an hour on a little jeep to just go around that area. 5 years later, when I went back, that area was a palm oil plantation, which, as many of you will know, is a very poor place for both animals and plant life. Now I know that local people have to earn a living, but the question really is, you know, how can we make them invested in this area to preserve these outstanding areas of natural beauty? Put any comments you like in the section below. I'd love to hear from you. But in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy this area, and I hope you can do that and support future rainforest initiatives. Thank you.